What up? What up? How's it going? Welcome to the hottest crypto news channel on the internet. How's it going, y'all? Let me scoot up here. Who we got in the chat? Say hello. Tell me what you're drinking. Coffee Capital, Seattle, Washington. What's up? We're gonna give everyone a second to filter in here. Grab a drink, kick it, listen to some tunes, and hear that crypto fire. You know how we get down. Golden Eagle, what's up? Thanks for joining. What are you drinking, Golden Eagle? I gotta know. Crypto Secret Circle, what's up, homeboy? Thanks for joining. It was fun. My following seemed to like their discussion. Let's do it again. Golden Eagle, go follow Crypto Secret Circle. That guy's the plug. He got all the infos. All the infos. Who else we got? Let's give people some time to filter in here. Crypto Secret Circle, you drinking Moscow Mule? You look like a Moscow Mule, dude. Angel with the key to the abyss. BTC about to flex. Always flexing. Crypto's flexing on him right now, right? Where were all these bulls at a couple months ago? I didn't see them. Did y'all? I didn't. That's for sure. And I was all up on internets. EOS to moon. I can feel it reaching all-time highs this year. Hey, EOS, do you see that? Do you guys notice that small trading range? It's just up, down, but it's getting less and less. I know what comes next. Oh, we got 11 in the chat. Hey, that's hot. Right away? I love it. Reza, yo, bro, what's up? Thanks for joining. What are you drinking? If it ain't alcoholic, it's the wrong answer. My bad. It's only 9 o'clock, guys. I gotta calm down. Maddox, hi, man. I have a beer for this stream. Good. I like that. And there's like something in this cup. A substance, I don't know. It's coffee? Just coffee? I'm not sure. Crypto Secret Circle, guys. I just did an interview with him. You guys need to go watch that. I also live streamed the premiere. Very, very smart guy. And has some insights on some smaller coins I didn't know about. Go check his channel out for show. We got Big Garrett. Yo, what's up, Garrett? Thanks for stopping by. Always a pleasure. Reza, are you bullish on EOS, bro? Do pigs like mud? Hell yeah, I'm bullish on EOS. Guys, EOS, even though you might not be people's favorite, it doesn't deserve to be down that low, at least in my opinion. But hey, what do I know? Maybe I'm a weirdo. All right, guys. We're going to give people a couple more minutes and we're going to get going. We got some hot fire news today. But if you're new to Crypto and Coffee, welcome. This is the hottest news live stream for crypto on the internet. We read an article, talk about it. Read an article, talk about it. Let me know if the music's too loud too, because I have no idea, but it sounds cool to me. Trayvon, invest in super microchips and wind turbine and big tech. Well, hey, Trayvon, after the crypto bull run, you don't gotta do nothing. My grandpa used to say, all I gotta do is stay black and die. But, after the crypto bull run, you gotta do something with your money. It makes sense to invest it in emerging technologies, emerging trends that you see. That's a good point. And if you guys like to get into that stuff, we could talk about other sectors I'm bullish on, like robotics, like augmented reality, all that stuff. Garrett Gross, Dub, you are the freaking man. Thank you so much for doing all you do for us. Amen. No problem. I'm just trying to help, man. It's what I used to do by myself. In the room. By myself. I said I might as well film it, you know? Go follow Crypto Secret Circle, please, right now. Well, maybe not right now. After this. Kelly Fighter, good morning, little bro. Either you're older than me or you must be like 9 feet tall because I'm 6'2". What's up, Kelly Fighter? I hold WAN EOS. Oh, yeah, guys. And if you didn't know, WAN Chain. I always talk about WAN Chain, not trying to shill them, but if you guys are having problems with Ethereum gas fees, like being $50, I saw someone paying $100 for Ethereum gas fees. WAN Chain cross-chain DeFi. It's a DEX that actually goes cross-chain. It's not wrapped nothing. It's real cross-chain. You want that? You get it. It's tight. Check it out. And you could do like, definitely if like, your exchanges in your country's getting super weird on you, check that out. Reza, great energy, bro. Keep making great vids. I'm trying. Sometimes I'm tired as hell, guys. I'm like, yelling and stuff in my closet. I know my neighbors hear me. My bad, neighbors. My bad. I'm just trying to grind, Foblo, what's up? What's up, homies? 15 people in the chat. It's hot. Giving me that energy. Good vibes. I'm in a bar today, though. I'm in a bar today. That's how I'm feeling. Because it's a bull run, y'all. Let's see. Okay. It's been 6 minutes, guys. We got to get going. I'm going to get to you guys later. But check it out. Crypto and Coffee. I picked out some articles here for you that I think are pretty relevant and you need to know. I like to keep it pretty general topics like, regulation and stuff that affects all coins. Because I can sit here all day and talk about specific coins, but like that's not going to service everyone to the best of my ability, right? So let's just keep an eye on the trend, see what's happening in other parts of the world, and expand our consciousness so we don't get like stuck in an echo chamber, right? That's how you lose money, guys. That's how you don't pay attention to opportunities, right? Oh, and guys, check it out. Liquidity mining, all that. I just posted a video on Venus, right? I collabed with Swipe on that, but Venus is like the maker and compound of Binance Smart Chain. They're paying like 60% on their VI stablecoin, guys. You buy it from Binance, you put it on Venus, you get 60% of your money. That's that stuff. That's that good like deals you find early on in a protocol because all they're trying to do is suck in liquidity. They're paying out crazy bonuses to people to suck in liquidity, but it's not going to be there forever. Just FYI, you can watch the video or not. But let's jump onto it. I thought it'd be fun to look at some coin market cap real quick. 20 people on the chat. What's up? What are you drinking? Gotta know. All right, real quick before we jump into the news, I gotta see this bullishness. If we don't look at the the price pumps, guys, what are we doing? We gotta celebrate a little. Bitcoin past this 40,000 level. Oh my God. Guys, I got my first Bitcoin at $100. That's crazy. If you don't think it happened to you with your cryptos, it's not out of the realm of possibility. Ethereum is popping off. XRP is off its bottom. And guys, talking about XRP, Crypto Secret Circle, who's in this chat right now, we did an interview. Go check my or his channel, and we talk about what we think is going to occur with the XRP lawsuit. And, if you want to know more about the lawsuit, go check my video. I could dive into depth, 20 minutes on it. Binance Coin's killing it, y'all. CZ, what's up, man? Binance Coin, guys. There's only like, 178 million of those? All you guys really need is like, around 17, 18 to be in the 1 million club on that? Just saying. How you guys feeling, though? You feeling good? I'm rocking the KD shirt because I'm feeling like the GOAT. I feel like greatness watching these crypto assets rise up to the heavens. Everyone was hating on us, y'all, saying crypto is stupid, saying we didn't know what we're talking about. Well, you know what? Here we sit on the verge of the great financial reset. I love that. Let's see. What else? Uniswap. Bro, I got that for damn near free. $20. Wow. What do you guys thought about? Tezos was moving up a little bit, gave up some gains, obviously. What are you guys looking at? Real quick, let me go down this chat real quick, and then we'll jump right into the news. And we got a good one, guys. Check it out. That's from 30 minutes ago, or maybe an hour ago now. Not sure. If you had one Bitcoin, how would you set stop limits here without losing profit? Well, you know, man, I mean, look, I kind of like go like naked with it when I trade, man. I don't set stop limits. You know what I'm saying? Hey, but I'm more macro focused, man. You know, I know the trend's going up. So like, why would I cut my gains? If I want to capture gains, I'm gonna sit in stable coin or cash. I mean, that's the ultimate short position, right? So pull the cash that you're gonna be happy with, like keeps you safe, keeps you from worrying, stressing, sweating mentally, and then I let that crap ride. But if you're more short term, I don't know how to answer that question, man. My bad though. You know, you might want to look at the last level of resistance and apply like 20-30% below that. I'm not sure, man. Hey, drinking that coffee. Cali Fida, 17 people on the chat. I like that video you did on Telos. Thank you. I did that one like 2 months ago too. Looks like it's finally getting discovered. Telos, man, it's rising up. Rising up. Music's good. Music's fresh. Music's hot. I like it. Guys, I mixed this myself. YouTube be playing me. I said, nah, YouTube, I gotta have the music. I gotta have the vibes. What? We got Crypto Junkie saying BNB set to take over Ethereum. Dang, those are big claims, Crypto Junkie. Those are fighting words, Crypto Junkie. Dang, I know some Ethereum people be trying to fight people over the stuff like that. Omniscape, gotta check it out. STMX, I don't know what that is. Guessing it's a crypto. All right, 25 people on the chat, man, dang. Smash the thumbs up, I love it though. Right away. All right, well damn, there's so many dang comments, I'm gonna take forever. Let me jump into this one, I'll circle back around. Bill Miller's flagship fund may now buy GBTC to gain Bitcoin exposure of up to 15%. What? Look at this. Miller talking about Bitcoin, Big Miller. The fund noted it would not expose more than 15% of its $2.25 billion in assets to Bitcoin. Well, dang, guys, what's to 15% of that? I should have did that math already, but big boy Steve, what's his name? Bill Miller? Drop billions on it. Fast stacks. The fund may seek investment. Dang, my bad. The fund may seek investment exposure to Bitcoin indirectly by investing in the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, an entity that holds Bitcoin. The fund wrote in a filing with the U.S. Securities Exchange Commission, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust invests principally in Bitcoin. The fund will not make any additional investments in the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. If, as a result of the investment, its aggregated investment in Bitcoin exposure will be more than 15% of blah. That was boring as hell. Sorry. I know. I probably lost. I did watch. Dang. Can't even talk right now. I did lose watchers off of that, man. Miller, you got to step it up, man. That's boring. But anyway, let's talk about it. Homeboy, we're going to drop down $2.25 billion into Bitcoin through the GBTC. That's Grayscale's institutional Bitcoin Trust asset or product. Y'all still think it's a bear market? They still saying that. They're still saying that is a bear market. That's just bullish as hell. Remember, it used to be like 1%. MicroStrategy saying 10%. Now we got other institutions coming in 15%. Sounds like they're starting to catch some FOMO. Sounds like I'm gonna start selling some Bitcoin on these suckers. Guys, what do you think about this? This is just kind of like stupidly bullish news. Let's see. Crypto Secret Circle. AI looks pretty cool. I'll probably get into that after some fat crypto gains. Yeah, we were talking about other sectors to look at after you guys are sitting stupid rich on your crypto stacks, right? Because money ebbs and flows. It goes in, comes out like the pull of the tide, right? In, out, in, out. It's up to you to collect that harvest once it pulls in, and then you look for something else that's currently coming in. You just keep... But hey, that's not financial advice. Crypto Secret Circle knows up though. Go follow his channel. Very smart guy. Cali Fighter. Way older. Not taller? Just kidding. Yo, it's all good, man. It's all good. Age is just a number. I ain't even mad at it. 30 people on the chat though. That's a lot of people. Dang. I should have. I don't know. I should have wore something nicer. But you know, Katie's gonna have to work out fine. We got Milo in the house. What up, DD? How's it going? How's it going, Milo? All right, people got drinking coffee. You got U96 drinking coffee and all that. All right, hey, no disrespect. I'm gonna go through to see if there's any pertinent stuff to the post though. Yes, for sure. Yeah, I'm on Twitter. It's DubDigital with 2 U's because someone stole my name. You know, that's how it goes though. All right, all right. Dang, I can't keep doing these comments or I will never do the news, guys. But like, let me just like, I don't know. All right, I'll stop right here. My bad, guys. I'm not trying to ignore you. I'm just trying to, you know, keep it flowing. Grayscale reopens Ethereum Trust after altcoin registration bonanza. The world's biggest crypto asset management firm may be preparing to give its clients more products in which to invest. Guys, where did you hear that before? If you follow me on Twitter, you would have heard it like 2 weeks ago, right? A bunch of entities out in Delaware. Grayscale's registering a bunch of entities out in Delaware, or at least under, you know, the jurisdiction of Delaware for their trust. One of them, I don't know for sure, not financial advice, but one of them being EOS, one of them being Decentraland, and a couple other. They probably tell us in this article, so I'm going to stop trying to steal its thunder. Let's go. In brief, Grayscale filed multiple crypto trusts in the registry. Technophobic or risk-averse investors can capitalize on booming crypto markets by investing basically in these trusts. And if you guys don't know, these trusts aren't like one-to-one backed by crypto assets. They're like some 60% of an ether. Like, it's a percentage of it. It's like, what the heck? Like, why can't they just download Coinbase, right? Like, why? This is just so people could buy crypto through their brokerage, okay? But hey, you know, it's a start. Should ETFs pass go with the US SEC, interest in crypto trust may wane. That's true. So guys, this crypto trust has just been like a pass-through in a way for traditional money. He doesn't want to change at all, really, to get exposure to crypto. But the second ETFs are given, like, it's over. Crypto trusts are going to go by the wayside because ETFs are more, well, first it probably gives you more percentage of the crypto asset, right? Like 60%, that's bull, right? Like you and I would never do that. Why wouldn't we just go on Coinbase and buy it on Coinbase for 100%? But ETFs, that's been the holy grail, guys. We've been waiting for that for the longest freaking time. Probably like 3 years, you know? Grayscale has registered more than a dozen altcoin trusts with Delaware's corporate registry over the last week. So that wasn't a fake image, indicating that is looking to accommodate for investors' growing interest in altcoins. Some of them include Aave, Cardano, EOS, Uniswap, and Polkadot. Wow. Guys, I think Uniswap could actually, I don't know, that's wild. Uniswap just kicked out, like, if you were using that DEX early on, they just hit you with the airdrop of their Uni token, like a pretty good amount. It's going to be wild that now it gets accepted into the Grayscale Trust arena. Grayscale is always looking for opportunities to offer products that meet investor demand. Grayscale CEO Michael Sonnenheiser, dang, I don't even know, man. I probably butchered that. Sorry, guys. Occasionally, we will make reservation filings. Though a filing does not mean that we will bring a product to market. Grayscale has and will continue to announce when new products are made available to investors. blah, 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 blah. Do we need to read into this? ETH Trust got reopened, so that's been shut off. That might have a lot to do with the money running into Ethereum right now. That's all she wrote, guys. 27 people on the chat. I love it. But let's talk about it, guys. I'm gonna tell you my take on it, then we're gonna discuss it. All right. So basically, guys, like Grayscale is like the doorkeeper right now. There's a bunch of money sitting in like stock brokerages that want to get in on this crypto action. But like either that their board won't allow them to open like an account with the exchange or whatever, or they just don't want to move their capital from a platform. These trusts are gonna bang, right? Think of it like a pipeline of money, right? The bigger the pipeline, the more the money that could flow through there, even though it might not be flowing right now. That's why I've been pretty much consolidating a lot of my portfolio into these like coins that are offered by Grayscale through their trust. Why, DubDigital? Why would you do that? Guys, I mean, it's a big old pipeline, and these people got a lot of freaking money, and they're not gonna go out to do the swap. They're not. They want to be like, they want to feel secure. They want to feel like they have some kind of like, I don't know, reputable company they're dealing with. You know, they're from the old school stocks, man. Like, it's all about reputable companies and all that. They buy and sell reputable companies, so it makes sense. But you know, end of the day, when this thing really gets busted open, hopefully, you know, we don't gotta, I don't know. I don't even know where I'm going with this. I'm gonna stop talking. Let's see. HBAR, any thoughts? Yeah, HBAR is making that move that I said it was gonna make, and you know, it had to come down because it came up really fast, right? It's consolidating now, but I don't know if the move's over, you know, but I haven't sold any. I'm trying to secure profits. It's never wrong to take profits. You know, the one thing I would like say to you guys though is like, you want to prune the tree periodically, but not over prune it, because then the fruit stops growing, you know? Like if you cut off all the branches at once, it doesn't grow anything else. Like you want, well, I don't know what y'all want, but I like to have what I call money tree sitting, where like, oh, that's a cool profit. I pull a percentage, let it grow a little bit. I pull a percentage. I'm not trying to like maximize the profit, because to me, I see value in like, you know, the initial impulse of the market. Everything damn near goes up. Okay. So like, I just want to have lottery tickets there. And I'm going to let it run the trend, because you know, every cycle, there's coins that way outperform Bitcoin, you know, and we're in the altcoin like market. You know what I'm saying? Like if you were looking for 100%, that's cool, but you can get that with Bitcoin. Feeling good. Where is this market going? Ultimately up. For the time being, I don't know. We might have some like consolidation, because some of these coins have been popping off. And guys, just look at the chart. Nothing moves up in a straight line, right? Or else the chart would just like look like a square. It look like that. You know, like that's not how it looks. So, you know, before we can go to the moon, breakthrough price discovery, altcoin market cap just went into price discovery. Okay. So if you guys like the money pouring in now, just know that typically altcoin market cap grows above where it went last cycle. Not financial advice. 26 people in the chat. What are you guys drinking? When are Michael Saylor's students arriving to the game? I don't know. Maybe they're already here. You know, like, guys, you got to understand with smart money, guys, they're not dumb. Like, even though their companies aren't in it, or the entities they own aren't in it because they have to get past board approval and all that, who's to say they didn't go out and get their own crypto? Like, why would they wait? These guys aren't noobs, man. You know, they might be here. DubDigital, any thoughts on mainframe? Roberto, no, I never heard of mainframe. Y'all heard of mainframe? I haven't. Sorry, man. There's so many altcoins. Arda, hey yo. What's up? Welcome. Welcome to Crypto and Coffee. We're just going over some of the news, kicking it. I'll get to y'all next stuff, all right? But let me get to the next article. I try to arrange in a way that makes sense, y'all. So, okay, BlockFi takes on Grayscale, files for Bitcoin Trust with SEC. BlockFi has submitted its registration form for a Bitcoin trust with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Another trust, competition for Grayscale. In brief, BlockFi has submitted a registration form for a Bitcoin trust. Its Bitcoin trust would likely compete with Grayscale. Trusts are popular in the absence of a Bitcoin ETF. See, now everyone wants a piece of the pie, huh? Right? So basically, companies around here have been filing for ETFs for the longest time and it never went through, right? The Van Eck ETF, some other ones I don't freaking remember. Guys, I've been in crypto a long time. I've seen it come and go. But people see that like ETFs, they're not popping right now. So this trust like model is working. So they're gonna try to milk it. You got BlockFi already doing that. What is BlockFi? Okay, the rest of the article don't matter, y'all. It doesn't. Basically, though, you start to see competition leaking in, right? You start to see people wanting to get a piece of that crypto pie. And BlockFi already deals with crypto. But, I mean, they want more money, I guess. That makes sense. That one was short. Let's jump into the next one, though. Coinbase announces proposed direct listing. What? I never thought I'd see the day, y'all. I mean, I heard the rumors. I heard the news. I never thought I would see a crypto company getting listed on the New York, well, I think it's the NASDAQ. You guys know that's freaking wild? Do you understand that like back in the day, like we couldn't even get people to say Bitcoin on the news. Ever. People laughed at it. They said it was stupid, that it was dumb. Then they said it was for like, I don't know, thieves and stuff. Now they're gonna list it, Coinbase, on the New York Stock Exchange and all that other stuff. This is amazing. If you guys are new to crypto, you got no idea the struggle we had to go through. But know that this is a momentous moment because the second they do this, guys, if it's regulated on a stock exchange, that's basically saying crypto's regulated. Crypto is not, it's gonna get banned. No. If it was gonna get banned, the SEC would have said, hey, put a hold on that. You cannot go through with this IPO. You cannot get listed, right? They wouldn't just say, oh, come on, Coinbase, and then like slap them with that, right? That's dumb, right? They wouldn't do that, right? Hey, let's read into it. Coinbase Global Inc. today announced its intent to become a publicly traded company pursuant to a proposed direct listing of its Class A common stock. Such proposed listing is expected to be pursuant to a registration statement on Form S-1 with the Securities Exchange Commission. Coinbase Global Inc. previously announced on December 17, 2020, that it had confidentially submitted a draft registration statement on Form S-1 with the SEC. That was that Kermit sip, that meme, you know what I'm saying? Oh, dang, it looks like people don't like that news. We lost 5 people, but we gained 2. Smash the like button. This announcement does not constitute an offer to sell or the solicitation of an offer to buy any securities. Any offers, solicitations, or they're saying offers a lot. Any offers, solicitations, or offers to buy or any sales or securities will be made in accordance with the registration requirements of the Securities Act of 1933. Hey guys, come on. Can I level with you guys? We're homies, right? Why the hell are we still using laws from 1933? Like, for real. I don't know, man. We got to get our act together with legislation. This is crazy. What do you guys think? We got Listen Up in the house. What's up, Listen Up? Thanks for joining. What are you drinking? Kia Stan, you like algo? I've been having to do like an altcoin hidden gem thing on algo for the longest time. I got some. I just picked some up this week, like on Coinbase, because I look at the chart and I said, I might as well just like throw some on this because the setup looked dope. It's almost a price discovery, not financial advice. We got Sunny Boy. Do as they do, not what they say. Sunny Boy is woke as hell. Welcome, Sunny Boy. We got Crypto Secret Circle up in here. He knows exactly all about that. All right, we got to listen up talking about an article. I have GBTC and ET or ETH, whatever. Diversification in my stock portfolio IRA. They both X'd already. Hey, listen up though. Like, it sounds like you're pretty savvy. It sounds like you're like in direct crypto, spot crypto. What advantage do you see in holding these assets that are only percentage back? You know what I'm saying? Because wouldn't you get more for your money investment wise than holding spot crypto? But hey, I'm not hating. I just want to understand a little more because I don't understand. But I'd love to understand. Help me understand. Listen up. We talked about HBAR already, guys. They are putting Monero on the Grayscale alt package. That's what I heard, at least. That would be dope. It would be so dope. Guys, Monero. If there was one coin to be called a black market coin, it'd be Monero. Why is that? Because Monero, like unlike a lot of other privacy coins, doesn't give you the option to do privacy. It's just private. So like, I hope that happens, guys, because that means a lot for our like privacy moving forward. Right? Because things in Grayscale, they do their due diligence. Grayscale has like a lot of sway with legislature. They're like one of the most legit crypto companies in the United States right now, right? They don't list things that just like blow up. One of the reasons why, like, you know, I'm kind of stacking my portfolio to that as time goes on, right? I'm doing small alt plays, getting like percentage boost from that. But like in a way to like mitigate the, I guess, regulation risk. Why not get in the coins that are like lining themselves up in regulated companies? But like Monero would be super sick. And there's actually a proposal on WANSwap right now to get Monero added to the DEX. So you guys could swap cross-chain into WANSwap from any other coin that's on there. And they're growing like by the week in a Monero if you want to get a Monero. And now it might even be like registered. That's dope. Thanks for that. Let's see. Hey guys, have you seen UMA popping the hell off? UMA is killing it, yo. Like, it don't even make sense. I look at the charts like, what is this? What is this line here? It doesn't belong here. All right, guys, I'm almost through. Let's see. Somebody choose to over 100K in the next few years. Kyle, ETH to 100K in next few years? Well, look, Kyle, so the crypto moves in phases though, you know, bull run, bear market, bull run, bear market. So are you proposing that the bull runs are getting longer in time? Because the bear market was pretty much on that 4-year timeline. So you guys remember that though, like a good investment always isn't a good investment forever, right? I'll never sell all my crypto, but like I learned my lesson last time. You know, I'm going to secure some purchasing power by cashing out. But 100K ETH, maybe in the next cycle. Why not? It looks like it's following Bitcoin. That's for sure. 28 people in the chat. Getting me so hyped. I love it. Thanks for joining me, guys. Thanks for joining me on this Saturday. Do you guys like Saturdays or Sundays better? You know, some people be saying they got to go to church and stuff. And like, you know, I don't want to get between them and the big God. All right, guys, I'm going to jump to the next article, but then we're just going to kick it after we get through this stuff. 28 people in the chat. I got to give them what they came for. You know what I'm saying? Sorry about this bar. I don't subscribe. I refuse. 9point launches Canada's largest Bitcoin IPO of 180 million. Damn. It's a pretty big old bag. Canadian investment manager 9point Partners LP completed a Canadian dollar. Is that what it is? I hope. 230 million Canadian dollars, or 180 million. Yeah. Initial public offering. The country's largest new fund to be based on the cryptocurrency. The The IPO consisted of units sold at $10 a piece. 9 Point said in his statement, Bitcoin Trust began trading Wednesday on Toronto Stock Exchange under the ticker BITCU. 9 Point's launch eclipsed that of fund manager CI. Okay, whatever, it's boring, I don't care. Bitcoin's gained popularity. We know that. We know Bitcoin's popular. Yeah. It's almost $40,000. Okay. Whatever. Okay, so basically, it's pretty straightforward here. 9 Point launches Canada's largest Bitcoin IPO. So you guys notice a trend here? Because they call me DubDigital. Crypto news, macro trends. Guys, what's a macro trend? Let's just talk about what's a macro trend. It's looking at the future and seeing this. The world is moving this way. I can get in front of that though. If I get in front of that and I make that realization sooner, I can profit just off of that realization. It might take some time, but like, look, I've been saying since 10 years ago, guys. People are looking at me being a 21-year-old kid. Like, what are you talking about? What do you know? I said the world's going electric. You hit peak oil, supposedly. I don't know. Oil keeps coming out of the ground. But like, guys, that's a macro trend. Crypto is a macro trend. The end of fiat money is a macro trend. A macro trend is anywhere that you can make a play financially off of, position yourself to benefit financially off of. Look at this trend. Crypto companies IPOing, getting on the Toronto Stock Exchange, on the NASDAQ. There's a bunch of companies already out in Asia. Asia's way more crypto friendly, right? So like, look at this. You think Bitcoin's going away? You think they're going to ban Bitcoin? Because your cousin told you that at the family reunion? Over short ribs? No, man. That's not popping. That's not happening. We're here to stay. What do you guys think? Rub-a-dub digital. Hey, what's up? Hey guys, funny story though. See this cup? Seattle, Washington? I was like working in 2019. Yeah, 2019. Right when the pandemic outbreak happened. I was flying all up in that sucker. Into Kirkland, Washington. Epicenter of it all. But you know what? You live, you learn. What don't kill you, make you stronger. At least I got a cool coffee cup. All right. Flat Smack. DubDigi, the most underrated channel. I appreciate you, bro. Blessings. Hey guys, I got a Telegram group. You can find the link to it in any one of my videos in the description box. I be dropping stuff in there, giving my thoughts because, you know, I looked at it and said, I'm tweeting too much. I gotta curb back. I'm annoying people and stuff. 32 people on the chat. Thank you. Thank you, crypto guys. Big money hasn't even started to move in. It's just the first 5 minutes of the first inning. Yeah, guys, because what? We're still under $1 trillion market cap. Gold's $10 trillion, right? Like, and do you know, like, debt positions that back, like, short positions, like, all these derivatives, that's quadrillions. We're not even in the trillions. This system got to drain. It got to drain. It's unsustainable. That's why they're running 2 systems in parallel. The old financial system and the new one. I'm not going to tell you what's going to happen next. That's for y'all to figure out. All right. DubDigital, thoughts on Funfair? Man, I don't even know about that project. I've seen the ticker though, Fun, right? Makes me smile every time I see it. But I don't know too much about it, man. I know some people like it though. What do you think? All right, guys, I'm trying to get through these comments, but you guys be blowing it up. Hey, hit the like button though. Helps me out. I need more followers in my life. All right, hold up. Fluffy bug. Damn, there's so many freaking comments though. I can't go through them all. DubDigital for real. Sorry, I think I'm missing people though. Funfair's a scam? Okay. BlockFi. DubDigital, what up? Back Daddy, what's up, man? Thanks for joining. Hey, this is important. This is important, guys. The 29 people saw in this chat, this is important. Crypto Junkie, Elon says no to Bitcoin and now yes. He's always buying to begin with. Agenda. Hey, guys, just notice people's inconsistencies. Like, have a long memory. Like, and hold people accountable. Elon was saying Bitcoin was a scam like last year. What changed? Nothing changed, man. The people are out here playing you. Elon knows people listen to him. Like, regardless of your thoughts on Elon, you be playing people, man. Hey, never make a god out of a man. You know what I'm saying? He's just a man. He's playing you for profits. Like, why is he switching his ideas on Bitcoin like that? And why does he just throw tweets out about Dogecoin, man? Remember, crypto's an unregulated industry to a large extent. It's not illegal like it would be for other things like stocks. Because remember, he came out and said he secured investment for Tesla. Tesla's stock boomed. That he had to step down being a CEO. He doesn't have to do that here. Just saying. Will you buy Coinbase stock? I might just buy a little bit just to have some exposure because, like, look at what people are doing to GME and AMC on Robinhood. Dude, guys, people are gonna pile into this thing. It might not even be a rational piling in. We already saw that with Dogecoin. We already saw that with GME. I know GME, people might like the stock, but like, guys, you can't tell me GME is gonna be like making a huge comeback, revolutionizing gaming and stuff. No. All right. All right, guys. Let me get to the next one. We got 27 people on the chat. Hey, you guys remember Libra? Well, they rebranded to Diem. That was Facebook's stablecoin that was originally supposed to be backed by a basket of fiat currencies. Let's read into it. Facebook's Diem testnet hits 50 million transactions. The upcoming stablecoin contender reached the milestone a little over a month after it was renamed. All right, well, hey guys, it's the same old damn thing. I mean, the name doesn't really change too much, except public perception. Guys, this is information. This is what they used to call in like the 80s, information society, right? That's essentially what trading and investing is. Like, it's information. That's why I say before my fundamental analysis, I say those closer to the knowledge profit, right? Like, this is all a war of perception. Facebook's rebranding doesn't really change too much about what they're trying to do. It's just a perceived change. All right, the testnet for Diem, the Facebook-backed stablecoin project, reached over 50 million transactions today. Data from Blockchain Explorer Diem shows. The development comes a little over a month after Diem was rebranded from Libra. Diem is a stablecoin, a type of cryptocurrency pegged on a one-to-one basis with fiat currencies. The US dollar in this case, aiming to disrupt the traditional payments market with its low fee, scalable, and fast settlement features. It is run by the Diem Association and a consortium of other members. Which, do they tell us those members? Who are these people? I gotta know. Such as crypto exchange Coinbase and riding share giant Uber. Uber's like, I'm in Cali, guys, and Uber was like, screw you, Cali, we ain't gonna like support you guys. Are they still doing that? I don't even know. I just stay inside doing videos all day. Oh, here's the Libra members. Let's look at it. Anchorage, Anderson Horowitz, Bison Trails, Blockchain Capital, Creative Destruction, Coinbase, Checkout.com, Breakthrough Initiatives, Novi, Farfetch, whatever that is, Iliad, Mercy Corps, Paradigm, Lyft, Kiva. Why the hell is Lyft and Uber in this? I don't know, just like online payments? PayU, Rabbit Capital, Shopify, whatever, I accept the cookies. Shopify, Slow Ventures, Spotify, Teskmesk, whatever, Thrive Capital, Uber, Union Square Ventures, Women, World Bank, and a whole whatever the hell, Zappo or Xapo. I'm not to do that with X's. Board of Directors. Okay. None of that matters. I don't care. That was interesting, though. Okay. So basically, Okay, in terms of the testnet users, over 221,000 individual addresses have interacted with Diem in some capacity. Of those, a single host holds over 100 million tokens. What the heck? LBR, I guess that's the ticker, guys. Over 53 of those hold exactly 823 LBR. What do you guys think about that? That's crazy. I didn't even know about all those backers. Cosmic Ninja, what do you think about SNX, big dog? Well, bro, you probably tell that to all the dogs, right? But when I think of SNX, man, I saw that 80 cents. And I didn't pull the trigger. I was looking at putting a little bit in there, you know? Because, like, I'm big on, like, investing early into the trend. So, like, even if it goes down, it's probably going to go way up. But I think SNX is cool. It's basically, like, derivatives on Ethereum. I missed that trend, though. And I'm not going to jump into it now. I'm not. That's just not how I get down. It's too high up for me. So I look at projects that are still on the floor that might do the same thing on different blockchains. Because I don't believe that Ethereum is going to capture all of DeFi. Like, you got to get out of this one-itis, I call it one-itis mentality, man. Like, Ethereum's not going to capture everything. Like, look at Binance Smart Chain. They have, like, interesting DeFi as well. Look at WanChain. They got real interesting DeFi. Look at EOS. They're going to be a contender in DeFi if you ask me. So with that said, if capital is going to leak all over the damn place, I mean, SNX is just Ethereum's derivative platform. There's other ones blooming. I'm looking at those other ones. One of them being organics on EOS. It's pretty small. Went up like 400 times already for me. You know what I'm saying, though? It's not the platform per se. It's the function it provides. And if there's a budding ecosystem that's just underrepresented, in theory, once it is like recognized, then money should treat it just the same. But right now, SNX, I'm not digging that. Too high up. That's a horrible drop, you know? But hey, it can go up from here. It's just not what I get down with. Big Sean, got some Monero, I think. LOL. Atomic Wallet hides my balance on Monero. Sean, did someone sell you some Monero? Hey, Sean, you might want to check that out. You got to know how much you got. But hopefully it's there. I like Monero, man. Let's see. Listen up. I have spot crypto. Stock accounts and IRA accounts have different tax conditions like my Roth IRA. Zero taxes on any gains. Grayscale products are pumping, bro. Yeah. Okay. That makes sense. It's tax reasons. Very interesting. An IRA. I might did it a little more black and white, man. Guys, tell you the truth, I'm going to tell you in a little secret. The 31 people in the chat. You know I left my job to do this. You know I left my job because I believe so much in the cryptos. Well, guess what? One of the reasons I left my job is to pull my damn 401k. I just took the hit because I knew I could make it back in crypto gains. But it sounds like, listen up, he's doing a little smarter than I did. I just get all like, you know, worked up. Let's see. Crypto Junkie be saying, is B&B gonna absorb ETH soon? 2-cent fee. Maybe, man. Maybe. You know, I mean, I think it could get a big boost from Asia. You know, you see B&B blowing the hell up. B&B was like the #1 gainer on CoinMarketCap right now. I mean, I don't have anything as B&B. But to absorb ETH, I don't know. It might absorb some of the liquidity, but I don't think it's gonna like overtake it. But with Binance brings its own like clout, man. Like with Binance, it just got so much like market share over in Asia and like one of the best exchanges. It'll get some, you know, but not gonna kill it at my point of view. Big picture. Let's see. Best way to purchase crypto? Variety of ways. How do you like to get down, you know? Like if you want to use an exchange, Like if you're big into compliance, you have a business, you want to like to pull like have a like exchange that like records everything. You can print it out, put in some tax information, like generate the report easy. Then Coinbase, Kraken, Gemini, the big hitters. If you want to be like a little more anonymous, or you don't want to you want to do KYC, there's like stuff out there for you now, like DEXs, decentralized exchanges, like Uniswap, like WANSwap, like Binance Smart Chain, like DeFi Box, like for EOS. WANSwap though is interesting. Everyone knows, like, I love WANSwap because I like to go cross chain. Lets me do that. I think DeFi needs liquidity to survive. If new projects for DeFi opens with liquidity, then I bet it's a scam. With liquidity? Well, no, I don't think so, man. Because like, look at it. It's all in the strategy, bro. It's all in how you roll something out as a project, right? So like, think about it. And like, DeFi projects know they need liquidity. So what they do is they offer very attractive incentives early on to people who want to take the risk, whatever risk that there is, depending on who you're dealing with, right? Like, for example, WANSwap, they did 5x mining on their WASP token, their governance token, like early on for the first 2 months to pull that liquidity in. I see EOS taking another strategy though. EOS collected like what, 244,000 Bitcoin. I think B1, well, that's the entity they work with. I think B1's just going to try to make their own liquidity. So it's like, so it doesn't take so long. You know what I'm saying? Because like big money doesn't care. They don't want to watch the project grow. They just want to use the damn service. I think like EOS knows that. So I wouldn't be so quick to judge on people already having liquidity. You got Script Skynet in the house. Master of Digibyte, DGB. Guys, go follow him. Check him out. He has some very interesting interviews that he does, mainly regarding DGB, but just a guy who's pretty much in depth in the back end of crypto, dealing with some of the devs, knows what's going on in that space. So if you have DGB, you got to follow Script. Welcome, Script. Thanks for stopping by, man. He's a real one. What is the Aave on DOT going to be? See, I don't know. See, that's something I got to get more into, is the DOT ecosystem. Like, I know it's expanding out right now, and I know that they're launching some projects. I got to do some digging. That'd be some good altcoin hidden gems to go through, right? I'll add that to my list, but I don't know right now, Cosmic Ninja, my bad. We still got 30 people on here though. That's dope. U496, the run was good in 17, but this one is better. It was epic, and now this is epic times 2. The future is going to be glorious for those that understand what is going on. Guys, so basically, just look at crypto like financial technology. Look at the adoption curve on technology, like a printing press, computers. Like, as time goes on and technology improves, the adoption curve rises dramatically. That's called an exponential curve when you have like the upside of a parabola. That's what technology does. Why would financial technology be any different? Like, last bull run was cool, but we already reached that like early on into it now. That's suggesting to me that financial technology is following the same adoption curve than regular technology does. So this next bull run, in theory, should be multiple times better than the last one, especially when you add into that the unproliferated money printing, or proliferated money, or whatever. Maybe that's not even a good word to use. But like the money printing they're doing all around the world, every central bank all around the world, coordinated at the same time. They planning something? Are they trying to drain the system? Are they trying to create an incentive for people to get out of fiat currencies into digital limited assets? Huh, they wouldn't do that, huh? I don't know. Maybe I'm a weirdo. Reza, but most of the money is going into the BTC and ETH, I guess. Is EOS powerful enough to absorb such huge money? They don't have powerful marketing as well. Yeah, I mean, but hey, Reza, Bitcoin didn't have no marketing either. Someone just started Bitcoin and left the computer running. It collected 1 million Bitcoin and no one knew about it. And then slowly over years, really a decade, it caught hold. So decentralized currencies really don't have marketing, right? Like, I come from an older school of crypto investor. Like, there was no marketing, guys. I'm looking around and seeing all this stuff and like people saying, oh, they don't have a marketing budget. I'm like, bro, like no crypto ever did. You know, so like EOS, especially if it's trying to be fitted into like, you know, they have an office in Washington, D.C. You know, they go to meetings. They had a meeting with SEC before. They got granted a special waiver from the SEC, even though they were found to be not a registered security. Perhaps they're not supposed to have marketing. Perhaps they're not supposed to have a centralized figurehead. Perhaps they're supposed to fly under the radar. Because you notice, like, there's a bunch of coins, people walking away, people saying that they don't invest enough in marketing. Litecoin, EOS, Digibyte. I can go on and on. It's an interesting phenomenon to see. I can't say that I have all the answers on that yet, but like, marketing infers centralization. Treasury, I guess, but you know, I don't know. A lot of coins don't have like robust voting mechanisms. Hey man, why didn't you tell us about Venus when it was $5? Because I didn't know about it when it was $5. You know what I'm saying? Like, Venus has been sitting around there though. My bad, bro. But you can still liquidity mine it. Irrelevant to you. Did you say land swap? No, WAN. WAN swap. .finance. Check that out. It's pretty interesting. All right, guys, I'm gonna move on to the next thing. We're already an hour into this thing. Then I'm just gonna kick it up, you know, chop it up with you guys afterwards. Visa could add crypto to its payment network, says CEO. While the financial service giant already partners with crypto wallets, the next step would put Bitcoin on equal footing with the 160 fiat currencies on Visa's network. In brief, I like that. I'm lazy. Visa CEO says the firm could support certain cryptocurrencies directly. Currently, Visa partners with 35 different crypto wallets and platforms. Visa previously laid out a platform-agnostic approach to supporting crypto. Let's see what they got to say. In this space, we see ways that can add differentiated value to the ecosystem, said Kelly. And we believe that we are uniquely positioned to help make cryptocurrencies more safe, useful, and applicable for payments through our global presence, our partnership approach, and our trusted brand. There are emerging payment innovations that could have potential to be used for global commerce, much like any other fiat currency. We think the digital currencies running on public blockchains as an additional network, just like RTP or ACH networks. So we see them as part of our network of network strategy. Wow. What are they saying here? They said public blockchains can be part of their network. Wow. So think of it like this, guys. Traditional companies, though, they can't beat it. They know they can't ban it. So now they're saying, well, we're going to merge with it. We're going to send payments through it. We're going to use it to make our service more like competitive. What they say, first they laugh, then they fight, then you win or whatever. I don't know. Gandhi says something like that. Hey, whatever, Visa. Welcome to the FOMO. Let's see. '2021 predictions for Stellar. I mean, I just usually do the same thing I always do. You know, I look at the last all-time high for the cycle and I multiply it by 10. I think it's conservative, you know, but like, what was it, dollar almost for Stellar? $10, you know? If it goes higher than that, that's dope. Ronner, what's up, Dub? Can you share your thoughts on EGLD price action on the midterm? It's close to all-time highs in the BTC pair. Is that Elrond? Elrond's killing it. Hold up real quick, guys. I'm gonna help a homie out. What the hell did I just type? EGLD? Yeah, it's Elrond, man. Hey, FYI, man, like, I had the chance to pick this thing up at like cents. Dang, now it's like $100. Man, that's how it goes though, guys. You can't trip about everything. I don't know, man. It depends. When did you get into this thing? I mean, this thing is like, you know, it's going up pretty high. It's pretty damn high. Like, you might want to secure some profits if you haven't, but like, it depends when you got in. Like, if you have some substantial profit, why not take it? You know? Like, unless you think you're a palm reader and you know where this thing's exactly going and you're never going to lose any money. Like, you guys need to think in terms of percentages, you know? Like, people ask for dollar amounts, but that's not what big money does. We don't care about dollar amounts because percentages are relative, you know? So, like, think in terms of, like, what's your criteria to pull profits, man? Is it 100? Is it 50? Is it 20? Are you trying to make some short-term money? Like, I like to at least make 100 at least before I start pulling. But then I always leave some in the move because we all know it goes up higher than we ever can think, right? So we might as well just plan accordingly because exponential price moves, you can be like the best charter in the world. But like no one would expect like what happened with GME to occur, right? No one would have expected what happened with Doge to occur because those moves were somewhat irrational, right? You saw the people flooding into those moves. They're not exactly career investors, you know? I bought DGB thanks to you. Now I'm in profit. If you told about Venus, we definitely bought. Yeah, I didn't know, man. You know, I'm only one dude. Like, I only got these 2 eyes and like 24 hours in a day. That's why like I rely on you guys and I have a Telegram group. I saw Venus before around like $5 and that was $12, but like I was in the same boat as you, man. I didn't pull the trigger. I didn't mine it, you know, until I really dug into it. But there's only 30 million coins, right? And it's basically in my video I talk about it's the equivalent of Compound and Maker on the Binance Smart Chain. You see how that's going, guys? When you think in terms of what do you call it? Like an ecosystem, a digital ecosystem building out. You don't fall in love with one blockchain, you see what's really happening here. You got Ethereum over there. That's like all the hype over there. Everyone's over there in the corner, like loving it. But you see these other corners and these other people setting up shop around the periphery that are doing the same thing. It just doesn't have the hype, you know? So if you look at that and you think in the way that money's going to go to the place that's best for the money. EOS has an attractive interest like DeFi rates. Binance Smart Chain has attractive DeFi rates. WAN Chain has attractive DeFi rates. People are going to move there eventually. And they're going to need protocols that do the same thing on Ethereum over at those other chains, right? So, hey. What am I trying to say here? I don't know. Bubba, what's up? Thanks for the super chat. It's my first super chat, man. You know, I was talking to my wife. I said, you know, maybe one day I'll get a super chat. I did. Thank you, man. I'm gonna frame this. Take a screenshot. Found your video on Vigor. Looks good. You think once the stimulus gets sent, the coins will pump even more? HBAR in particular, kind of biased. It's all good, man. You mean like the stimulus check getting sent out? I don't know, dude. Like, it could. Because it seems like people are like just downloaded like Robinhood, just downloaded Coinbase, and they're loving it. They're starting to get gains. They might just throw it in there. You know, that's what they did with the last one. But in terms of like HBAR, like pump even more, HBAR is looking pretty cool, man. I'm gonna pull it up for you. Hold up. 30 people on the chat. What's up, guys? Like, if you guys remember, I was talking about HBAR like it was going through like this. What happened here, like it was reminiscent of what happened before the first like a 600% pump, right? See this like little ledge right here? See that? That reminds me of this little, well, the freaking chart like this right here. See that? Look how much bigger it is. Look how much larger it is. Look at the volume creeping in here. So what I'm trying to say to you is I don't think HBAR is done with this move. You know, if the stimulus will play into that, I'm not sure. But hey, like I haven't sold my HBAR, and I might be a little different than a lot of channels, guys. I don't change my thoughts on coins very much. I make a coin and like I make a video about a coin like 1 month. I let it sit. It sits there. I'll make another one updating you. But rarely do I go like abandon ship. Like if I ever do that, that's because something weird happened. That's because like a meteor hit the earth, a nuke was set off, like there was World War III breaking out, like weird stuff I couldn't predict. But like HBAR, I continue to stand by it. An alternative. It's a hedge against blockchain. You know? And not even a hedge. Maybe it's better than blockchain. I don't know. But I'm not proud enough to say like I'm gonna rule it out. That thing was 3 cents when I started talking about it. Now it's what? What the hell is this? Almost 10. It almost got to 12. 3x. Hey, Bubba. Thanks for the super chat, man. I appreciate you. Did I get any more? All right. India minister suggests Modi government not planning outright crypto ban. If you guys are new to crypto, this stuff, man, I don't know. India be on and off, hot and cold about crypto. We like crypto. We don't like crypto. We like crypto. We don't like crypto. They're always doing this, man. Them in China brought down the 2017 bull run. They like a bunch of countries came out and said, we don't like crypto. We're banning it right at the height of the bull run. It's almost like it's managed, man. Because why and how do all the like national medias across the globe come out with the same thing within a week of each other? Now India's still like hesitant. Man, get out of here. I don't buy it. A recent bulletin from India's lower house had once more raised fears of a total cryptocurrency ban. All right. The government does not consider cryptocurrencies legal tender or coins and will take all measures to eliminate use of these crypto assets in financing illegitimate activities or as part of the payment system. Okay, guys, you got to understand. When governments say stuff like this, illegitimate activities, that's so subjective, it means it's basically whatever they want to be illegitimate. The Indian crypto community was alarmed on Friday after a bulletin from India's lower house revealed the government's plans to begin consideration of cryptocurrency and regulations of Official Digital Currency Bill 2021, seeking a ban on private cryptocurrencies. The bulletin, however, did not define the terms, leaving the door open for interpretation. Okay. That'd be interesting to see if Grayscale gets Monero in there, though, because that's the ultimate private cryptocurrency. Interesting, guys. Interesting. What do y'all think? Goodly, Decred going up today and Treasury up to 60 mil. Yeah, Decred's popping, guys. Decred, fork of Bitcoin, if you don't know. Like, started, what, early 2018, late 2017. I covered that video, guys, on the very bottom. Decred was like $11, $12. That was like $100, right? Hey, gotta pack the bags early, y'all. Angel with the key to the abyss. What job did you do before you quit? I worked at like a defense contractor, like and like space stuff, like space propulsion and stuff, and like some defense work. So I worked at like Northrop Grumman for a little bit. I worked at Aerojet Rocketdyne for a little bit. I did like supply chain work. So like basically, you know, parts, we need parts to build engines or like defensive missiles or whatever. And I like was in charge of making that happen. Never did I think like it'd be so challenging to get grown people to deliver stuff when you need it. Oh, man. But you know what, man? I sat at my desk and learned about crypto. And then I left my job to start a business regarding crypto. I didn't want to listen to anyone else except crypto people. I didn't want to I didn't care. I stopped caring. I just had my ear on YouTube. You know, and guys, hey, you know, I'm hoping you're leveraging YouTube to this extent. It's a very powerful tool. It's the first time you can get lessons on anything for free. Any time of the day, don't even have to be looking at the screen. Just playing it in your ears, man. Everything I learned was from YouTube. Everything. Everything I know about crypto, everything I know about charting, it cost me $0. It just took me a little time, a little effort, you know? Hopefully you guys are using it like YouTube to that extent. Can you tell me how to make money with WAN chain? Yeah, man. I mean, it's basically like WAN swaps and DEX. You could just trade it like any other thing, or just hold WAN. First light skin crypto YouTuber I've come across. What's good? Hey, what's up, R1DA? Sounds like you light skin too. You know, gotta represent. You wanna see my light skin face? That was exclusive for all the homies in the chat. 32 people, what's up? All right, hold up. Let me get a little up close and personal. Any thoughts on MFT, man? I don't even know what that is, guys. I learn a lot from you guys too, though. Like, I'm real zoned in on the coins I cover and some other ones, but like, I gotta. What is that? MFT. Ray Garcia, what's up, Dub? Why is nobody concerned about Ethereum maximum supply cap? Doesn't this make it almost as dumb as Doge in a way? LOL. But Ethereum really doesn't have a max supply cap. It's an inflationary supply, because of the staking mechanism, right? So what they're trying to do is ensure that generations after us will be able to get ETH still. But listen to me, Ray brings up a good point. No one likes to talk about Ethereum has no max supply, but they all love Ethereum. They all say Ethereum is a store of value. Ethereum is my reserve asset. Ethereum is hard money. Guys, no. Ethereum can never and will never be hard money. I think Ethereum is very useful. I think it's like, think of it like oil that greases the gears of DeFi and like smart contracts. You got to have it to use it. But something that inflates in supply can never be hard money. Because right now, what makes it different than any other fiat currency? Tell me, I'm waiting. It doesn't. Fiat currency is the very reason we're losing purchasing power year over year through aggressive inflation that they underreport. It's because they're printing the money. Ethereum's printing the ETH. Eventually, purchasing power will go down. So whenever people tell you Ethereum is a reserve asset and hard money just like Bitcoin, they don't know economics, man. Just saying. Does WAN have a coin? Yeah, it's called WAN, ticker WAN. You can get it on Binance, WAN Swap, all that. Hold on 1 second. Bubba, anytime, man, you a real one. Thanks for stopping by. Cosmic Ninja, how do you feel about maximalism? How do I feel about it? I don't like it. Right? It's just a bunch of people thinking they know everything. That's how I really feel about it. And you know, guys, I kind of keep it real. Like, anyone tells you they know exactly what's gonna happen in crypto, they're a freaking liar. I don't care if they've been in since 2010. Like, people bragging about being in 2017, I don't care. You don't. Nobody knows. I don't know. You don't know. Like, how can you just stake all your belief in a chain? Like, you have to have open eyes, man. That's what makes a good investor. To be able to keep it real and be like, you know what? Whatever I want to be real isn't always the reality. You know, now I understand about making a big bet because you like a product. But just to go around and say Bitcoin is the greatest, ETH is the greatest, everything else is noise, that's closed-minded. Money likes to go to people with open minds. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not really a maximalist channel. And that's the reason why I don't catch on very quick with all these communities, because like I refuse to just stick to one coin when I like a lot of coins. You know? 30 people in the chat. What up? Script Skynet, leverage DubDigital, really smart guy. Appreciate you, man. Script Skynet, the hottest DGB Digibyte YouTuber on the planet. And thanks for inviting me, man, over to the live stream the other day with Crypty Girl. That was tight. I never done something like that. That was fun. I gotta watch your Anthem ID video you just put out. And guys, if you don't know, if you've been looking for like a password manager based on the blockchain, Digibyte's like been tackling that. For the mobile, for the PC, you guys need like secure login, even secure from the password manager company. Go check out Digibyte, DigiID, Anthem ID. If you want to learn more about that, go check Script's channel. He talks all about it. Flat smack. YouTube taught me the moon landing was fake. Yeah. And that Hillary Clinton might be a lizard. Just kidding. Just kidding, Hillary. It's a joke. This is satire. Please do not litigate me. She be everywhere, man. You gotta be careful. You're spot on about YouTube. Yep. People will look back at this and not understand how people just exploded in knowledge. It's because they recognized what YouTube is, what the internet does. It connects you to all the information ever to be experienced, all the experiences in the human subconscious. It's put out online. People are teaching you for free. They're giving you their gems for free. Utilize it, man. The internet's more than cat pics, though. You know what I'm saying? Andrew Gibson. He's learning Mandarin from YouTube. That's right. Man, that's dope. That's dope. I learned what a bottom trend line was. I learned what a ascending triangle, descending triangle was. I learned what a head and shoulder was. I learned what an ABC correction was. I learned what Elliott wave theory was. I learned about Japanese candlestick charting. I need to learn a whole bunch of other things. What are you guys learning? What are you guys learning? Angel, they just made wrapped HBAR. Where? Wrapped in what? In ETH? On the Ethereum blockchain? That's tight though. Cosmic Ninja. ETH will be deflationary though, right? With the new burn thing they voted for. Oh, really? Did they do that? I think they need to. I think they need to. Because I'm looking at this inflationary supply curve. If they don't burn, it's like, why the hell would I keep buying this thing? That's why I have a plain Ethereum Classic. They're capped supply. They only have 210 million of that coin. And everyone thinks it's dead and it's done and it's gone. And whenever people think that, I get all greedy. Am I weird? I don't know. Let's see. Reza, so you say a coin which supply is limited is a good choice? Question mark. If so, BCH should be a good choice. By the way, EOS is limited to. Yeah, I know, but like, so check it out. BCH, I own BCH, and EOS, like, is EOS unlimited, guys? But like, look, EOS is so on the floor. I had to pick some up. You know, like that's the difference between Ethereum, EOS. Like, there's a time and place, right, to get into an asset. Like, if I can get a quick 100% pump, pull my initial capital out, and just let a fat bag ride throughout the bull market, the fundamentals really don't matter to me. But would I make the same play now with Ethereum? Hell no. You know what I'm saying? But Bitcoin Cash, yeah, man. I mean, I talk about that with Crypto Secret Circle, who was in this chat earlier. I have an interview on my channel. Go check it out. We talk about Bitcoin Cash, and he dropped some knowledge on us about Kim.com. He's making a new app that's going to use Bitcoin Cash. So some good things are looking good for Bitcoin Cash, but also you got to know everyone who's a whale in Bitcoin is a whale in Bitcoin Cash. So with that said, whales don't typically like to just make their investments go to zero. So there's heavy liquidity, heavy adoption of the asset because of the fork. Bitcoin Cash, I don't know. I think it's people are looking past it a little bit. But hey, you know, like no one's sitting out here saying EOS is a reserve currency. No one's sitting out here and saying that it's sound money. They're all saying that about Ethereum, though. I don't believe it. "31 people on the chat. What's up? We got a non-VPN. Lots of people shouting for altcoin season. I see vertical lines in the chart like mid caps, S coins, and DeFi. Main DeFi have already 100x. Do you see shakeout correction? Not pullback. Pullback, shakeout, same old thing. But like, what do I see occurring? I've been calling for altcoin season, man. Like, Bitcoin dominance has been dropping. It dropped from, it hit 73%, which was like the resistance for the last 2 years. It came down and now it's at 61%. I see Bitcoin losing dominance. Like, I don't know. We might have a correction. I mean, these lines can't go forever, right? But I'm looking at the long term, you know? I mean, yeah, DeFi is outperforming, but remember, I mean, it is kind of the hot sector right now. So I'm not sure if I'm answering your question, man. We might have a correction. But at the end of the day, it's like, it's not like the bear market anymore, you know? If you got some losses, I don't think you're going to be sitting on them for a long time. At least not like what we went through from 2018 to now. That sucked. So, like, the market's getting more forgiving now, you know? So it depends what you're trying to do, a non-VPN. You trying to be like a sniper in-out kind of guy? Then yeah, you might want to capture some. I think we had some, like, run-up. But if you're like trying to invest with the trend, I'm probably going to wait until the Bitcoin dominance tops out, then pull profits. You know, it's all like how you want to play this thing. There's traders, there's investors, there's swing traders, there's day traders. We're all coming from a slightly different angle, but we're playing in the same, you know, same sandbox. 27 people in the chat. Angel with the key to the abyss. VeChain, question mark? VeChain, I don't own it, but I was doing a lot of research on it in early 2020, and they have a partnership with Walmart China. I also think they're trying to get a deal done with Sam Clubs in China as well. And, you know, that's interesting, too, because think of it, like, they're doing a pilot program, in my mind, in China. What if this thing makes Walmart and Sam's Club save a lot of money? Don't you think Walmart and Sam's Club might roll it out to other stores around the world? Especially if it's a hit? I think it would. So basically, people say, oh, it's just in China. It's just in China right now, right? Let's have some foresight. We got irrelevant to you. I bought 2,300 HBAR at 3 cents. Thanks, bro. Anytime, bro. Anytime. See, this is like the thing with a macro setup, man. It usually gives you a little more time to get in. It takes longer to take off, but you know, it's more forgiving in that way. Anytime, dude. I love making people money. I love spreading the wealth. I want everyone to stay home, make crypto videos too, you know? Exactly the content I was looking for as a noob. Thank you, Andrew Gibson. Anytime, man. I don't want to lead you guys astray. There's a bunch of snake poison out here. Evil, what's up? What's good? Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for stopping by at my bar / coffee shop. I'm actually at Raul Paul's spot, man. Raul said, hey, Dub, come on through. I got to get your advice on this crypto. I said, all right, Raul, chill the hell out. I'm coming over. Smash the like button if you like Raul Paul. Is that his name? I might be messing his name up. I got to calm down. Banna. Angel with the key to abyss. Hey, man, you got to give me a little more to work with. I don't know what the question to answer when you say one word. But Mana, I mean, hey, Mana was one of those. I've heard rumors of it getting a grayscale trust. You guys been Decentraland before? Interesting. Some cryptocurrency companies, there's something called Crypto Valley, kind of like Silicon Valley, but Crypto Valley. You got Maddox headquarters in there. I think Sandbox is in there. They're building a real college in there where they're going to do like remote VR learning. They have a Vegas kind of thing where they do gambling events in there. They have meetups in there. I was thinking about getting a spot in there. We can kick it. Look at our, I don't know, look at our avatars or something. Shake avatar hands. This pandemic be killing me, man. I'd be losing it sitting up in this room making all these crypto videos. I need some VR interaction. Maximists try to prevent their wealth from being diluted by altcoins, and you can't control technology evolution. Yeah, man. I mean, you gotta understand, man. When someone has a lot of something, they're very invested, and they might not have your best interest in mind, right? It's not wrong of them to do. Don't look at them like they're wrong or they're dumb. That's like natural intuition, right? That's like not intuition. That's like instincts. That's human instincts to want to survive, to want to prevail, to want to achieve and succeed and doing all that stuff. They're looking out for themselves and their family. But you got to understand that they have a ulterior motive, right? It's just, I mean, wouldn't you guys, if you had a whole bunch of Bitcoin, wouldn't you want Bitcoin to live on, keep thriving? I would never fault you for that. It's up to me to identify that ulterior motive in that person. 27 people in the chat. We're going for an hour 27. I like that. How you guys doing though? Music's cool? Coffee tastes okay? Hopefully the vodka don't burn too much going down. Big script. NFTs like Atcoin artist follow here Dub. She is an NFT token. Character plays in the game Neon District and Ethereum token game. Script, I'm kind of confused. I would love to answer this. I don't know what it means though. There's @coin_artist. She's an NFT token? She's not a person? Let me ask Script. Jonathan, new to crypto, liking ADA, all the way from Hong Kong, IOHK, Charles Hoskins, ADA. That rhyme. Oh my God. Yeah, ADA is cool, man. Like, I got it in Cardano probably, I don't know, 9 cents. Crypto Secret Circle guy interview. He was all up doing Cardano earlier than that. Yeah, Cardano grown a lot, man. But like, it's not on Coinbase though. It's not on Coinbase. It's starting to rise now though. Looking good. Let's check it out. Give me a second. I'm typing, guys. I'm not ignoring you. 31 people in the chat. I like it. I'm trying to help Jonathan out. Look at that sucker. Look at that beast. Guys, look at where we're having trouble though. Like right around, see, charts have memory. It's not exactly at that point, but like, look, this Bitcoin. I told you guys the Bitcoin pairs are gonna lag, probably a couple months. At some point, they're gonna start catching up. It's gonna be interesting to see how that happens. But like ADA, what is it sitting at? Almost 60 cents. I got mine like around here. So see, guys, always be aware though. Like, we were very like low risk on the ground. Now it's lifting up. You got to be aware of that. ADA right now, yeah, it should go past its all-time high last time. But the farther an asset goes up, the less like I'm gonna say like check this out. I'm gonna say like, there's inherent risk. But ADA's expanding into Africa. ADA is trying to service Africa. Africa is an under talked about, I guess you would say, what would you say? Under talked about society that is already unbanked. They've never really been banked. One of their main payment methods is M-Pesa, which is an SMS text-based digital payment system. So they all have phones. They do most of their major commerce using digital currency. It's going to be so easy for them to switch to blockchain. It's dumb. And blockchain and Africa has a bunch of entrepreneurs who never get liquidity, never get capital to build out their business ventures in Africa. This is a known problem. I saw Ghanaian people hitting up Charles Hoskinson like online, asking him, hey, how can we get in touch with you? Talk about this and that. See, Charles is talking to pretty much a whole damn continent that no one's trying to help out on the crypto, and I could tell. Like, he's targeting them. A lot of people are targeting Asia, payments in the Americas. Dash is killing it down in South America. ADA is looking at Africa. I think that's a good strategy, in my opinion. Go into an underutilized or I guess not exploited. I don't know. I'm going to stop that sentence there. It can get pretty messy. But you know what I'm saying? That's a good strategy. Actually, I believe you're like EOS most underrated crypto YouTuber. I appreciate that. I'm just trying to raise that quality of crypto content. It don't all gotta be boring, guys. I don't know why it's gotta all be boring. All right. Someone said on Twitter towards Dan Larimer that stated, do you plan to include current EOS holders in your upcoming project? He responded with yes. What do you think? Plan to include current EOS holder? Like people who hold the asset? So he's probably going to build like a complementary product, right? But we do know, what did Dan say before he left the EOS project? He said that, hey, censorship's out of control, and basically saying he doesn't want to be caged like that. Like, EOS is going in a direction where he wants to be a little more like, idealistic with it. Maybe it's like more censorship resistant. Like, maybe it's like going to be a bridge from EOS to this new platform. Maybe they're going to do an airdrop to EOS holders. I don't know, right? But like, think about it. Dan's knowledge base is EOS tech, right? So he's not going to make something completely different. Why would he reinvent the wheel? He would rather just modify the wheel in the way he prefers, right? That's what I think about that. 30 people on the chat. What's up, guys? I'm so surprised so many people signed in this early when I know all of y'all had hangovers. Just kidding. I know your life. I don't know your life. My bad. Cosmic Ninja. Skinny Moon Hunter is an amazing TA channel. Yeah, man. Skinny Moon Hunter's cool, man. I like how he just like sits up in his room doing his own thing. Skinny Moon Hunter would blow up a lot more if you worked in thumbnails. Low production value, little elbow grease goes a long way. Listen up. I'm up large because of YouTube. Free knowledge is free. That's true, guys. Like, look, crypto's cool. Buying this, buying that's cool. But like, knowledge is always with you, man. Like, damn near just quit my job, started a YouTube channel, and started making money. I mean, not from YouTube, more from trading. But you get the hint. Once you have something in your head, you know how to do something, you can do it over and over again. Someone could steal all your stuff, drop you in the middle of nowhere. If you know what to do, you're going to get that money back. Listen up. You know what's up. Crypto junkie, say portfolio have at least 20 coins. When some dump, others pump. Yeah, you know, like that's kind of a lot of coins. I was at like 33 coins. Like I have less now, but that's a strategy. You know, you just run the risk of like not being able to manage them all. And you know, that's something that people, my followers, talk to me about too. Like, how do you manage 33 coins? I'm like, you know what? I don't do it very well. So I started consolidating. I mean, I just started pulling positions I wasn't in love with and aggregating into positions I saw traction happening already. I'm pushing my winners. RSR is one project that could have mass adoption during the next global recession. RSR is cool too. I talk about RSR in my earlier videos. I stopped covering it, but it's a PayPal coin, guys. It has PayPal and Coinbase backing on it. I got that thing super duper early. That's the reason I got that Uniswap airdrop. It's because I was buying up REN and RSR like May of 2020. I made money off of that, not even from those two. I made gains on that, but then I got Uniswap for free because of it. That's dope. Sony's a big holder of Vervet or VeChain. See, VeChain's got a following out there for sure. Script Skynet. So coin_artist is a person, but she is NFT tokenized on Ethereum. Wow, really? So she's an artist who tokenized herself. I heard about that. Like, you guys remember Spencer Dinwiddie, NBA player? He was the last time I checked. I don't even know what team he's on now. But like, he was trying to tokenize himself. We also have Soulja Boy talking about tokenizing himself. We also know Soulja Boy bought Digibyte. Y'all know that? Follow me on Twitter, you'll find out faster. Follow me on Telegram, you'll find out faster. If you're not following me on any of those, what are you doing? But like, yeah, Soulja Boy bought Digibyte. Now he's talking about tokenizing himself. Interesting. So basically, you own equity in this person and the products they make. Is that how it goes? Follow her on Twitter at coin_artist. Her character is in the game Neon District. NFTs are tokenized assets, and it just so happens that she's tokenized herself. That's interesting. So any revenue or stuff she sells is shared amongst her equity owners. Whoa, that's weird, man. Like, Script, that's so wild. You gotta say, that's wild though. Like, that's pushing to like you owning part of somebody. How does that work? Can we vote what she eats for dinner? Just kidding. Jacob, I think Uniswap will stay the top decentralized exchange 6 to 12 months from now. Question marks. Oh, you're asking me a question. I don't know, man. Uniswap's hot, and Uniswap's got all the traction. They almost lost it, though. Jacob, remember? I don't know if you've been crypto this long, but like Uniswap almost lost it to SushiSwap. Because Uniswap like took a like VC capital, I think, like private investors. People got all pissed because this is crypto. We don't like all that. And then they went over to SushiSwap. SushiSwap, the founder, did some sketchy stuff. I think he like what? Something to do, I don't know, with money or whatever. People are like, what the heck? And then at that very pivotal moment, Uniswap releases its government token and airdrops to everyone who used it. They got them back. But I saw that it's possible to sway people off of Uniswap. That's why I make another DEX plays like LandSwap. I mean, guys, let's be real. Uniswap only services the Ethereum network. I don't know about you, but there's other platforms out there that I want to get into. I'm making a bet on cross-chain DEX. So I have governance token WASP, just full transparency. But like, why wouldn't I if I believed in it? You know. So 6 to 12 months from now, I'm not sure. But what you can do, man, is spread yourself around. You don't gotta be right on one thing. You can just be right in the trend, right? Looking like centralized exchanges getting weird. DEXs are where it's at. Whether that be a cross-chain DEX or a single-chain DEX, DEXs are where it's at. You know what I'm saying? There's plenty of them, and they all got governance tokens. Louis, hello. Have invested $10 on Bitcoin. How much will I make? I don't know. I mean, yo, like, I bought my first Bitcoin at $100 and it went up to $40,000. Could be a lot, you know. It just depends. Like, are you gonna hold it? Because if you're gonna hold it, it could be a lot. It's hard to say, man. Reza, there are some cryptos with different usage cases too, like Ava or Ave or whatever. Booking, traveling. Do you see such coins have a bright future, bro? Yeah, you know, but that's what we call utility coins. Utility coins and altcoins in general just typically do well during like bull runs and stuff. You just gotta know though, like all this is denominated in BTC. That's the way the economy, the crypto economy is evolving, right? Like people keep saying, oh, Ethereum is the asset I want to accumulate. I look at BTC as like the digital gold. It likes going to secure my value the best out of all the cryptocurrencies. But like as far as like utility coins like this, yeah, as long as there's like people who are going to use it, it's all about network effect and how many people are using the network. If this thing's just coming off the ground, got no partnerships, they're trying to get their own traction, no corporate adoption pushing it, like it's gonna be hard. It's all about the network effect. That's why I like coins with very, very enthusiastic and big communities. It's all about the network effect. How do we get tokenized? Well, hell, go talk to HBAR people. They were sending all kinds of stuff to Soldier Boy how to get tokenized. But I don't know. Go head up homegirl at coin_artist. She got it done. Sounds like it's ERC20. No. It's like an Ethereum based NFT too. 26 people in the chat. I love it. Soldier Boy got an NFT on Zilliqa. Yeah, but isn't that is that art, right? He's wearing like a Naruto, like a Naruto headband and all that. That's pretty cool. There's like 5 of them or 20 of them, right? But I think he was talking about tokenizing himself. Just like at crypto_artist did. What days do you stream? Weekends only? Typically only weekends. I'm trying to pump out videos during the week, but like whenever something's going like ham, I try to live stream. I call it crypto and vodka. And this is typically my background right here. But what do you guys think? Like, I want to keep giving what has gotten me success, which I think is the videos. But if there's a growing demand for live streams, I can move and adapt, you know. But you guys gotta talk to me, you know. Let me know what you guys want to see. DGB is just a good name, but it basically does the same as Doge. You gotta explain that, man. You're making claims. What do you mean by that and how? Right. How do you substantiate the claim? Jacob, I know what you're saying. I think you're onto something with WASP, etc. Thank you for it all. Yeah. So guys, let me just like explain to you why I'm out here preaching WAN swap, and no one on YouTube's preaching WAN swap or WAN chain. Guys, it's based on cross chain. Money flows into a network. More people who can participate in that network from other chains because they're able to port in through like the cross chain Stormont node that WAN chain pioneered. That means a network effect could just blow the hell up. You got money coming from XRP, you got money coming from DOT, Ethereum, EOS, all come into a centralized point. That money's flowing in. More people are using it. They're going cross chain. It's easier to do it than anywhere else on the blockchains. I can see just a spark igniting, throwing that thing to the sky, especially because no one thinks it can happen. Hey, maybe I'm a weirdo. $88 pumping hard. Up 14%. Let's see today. Wow. Put on about 3 cents. I like it. Oh, wait, I'm not sharing my screen. My bad, guys. All right, guys, we're right. Anything else? Anything else? I think I'm almost through all the comments. You got a non-VPN BCH according to coin fair value is 17,800. What? No, $1,785. Yeah, I mean, hey, why? I don't know, man. Like, this is one of the things too where Bitcoin Cash, like, look what's happening. We got a lot of new people in crypto. If you're new, welcome. But a lot of people in crypto, like, they just go on Coinbase and buy stuff for no reason. It's cheap. It says Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash says Bitcoin. People look at it, it has a similar, like, insignia. They think, oh, why wouldn't I just want to buy one Bitcoin Cash? It's the same thing. Like, at the end of the day, guys, we could do all the charting we want, but sometimes the money makers just come down to stupid stuff like that. It could be wrong, it could be right, but we just like making money, right? We don't like just, I don't care about being right. I just want to make money, right? Right? You guys like money more than being right? I do. Have you heard of NIM? No, I haven't heard of NIM. Foblo, thanks Dub. 2021 should be an interesting year. It already started becoming interesting. 10K sub soon. Pass this around to your friends, to your fam, to your cousins, to your brother, to your mom, to your cat. I'm trying to do it, y'all. I'm trying to rise up the crypto ranks to the sky, to the heavens. All right, guys. I mean, what time is it? It's almost 11. All right, 27 people in the chat. I really appreciate you guys joining. Honestly, guys, crypto's doing what I thought it would do. We're going up. And I'm not one to brag about it or nothing. This is what I thought, guys. Like, crypto goes up and goes down. Takes 4 years, it goes up and goes down. Takes 4 years. Like, why would it change? Like, you hear all these people, especially people new to crypto, saying, oh, it's not coming up again. It's like, well, what do you guys know, though? Because crypto's been going up and down for a long time. Like, we notice a pattern. Patterns stop until, patterns keep going until they're stopped, typically forcibly. So, hey, I think all coin seasons come down the pike. All coins are already blasting off. Bitcoin's back at what, 40,000? It's probably going to go higher. It's going to be interesting to see what alts do when Bitcoin goes past that 40,000 mark. Will they keep rising? Because if they do, that's very indicative of altcoin season. When alts stop caring what Bitcoin's doing. That shows to me a frenzy in the market. People just throwing stuff around, Have you heard of or used Bitrex? Yeah. Bitrex is one of the oldest exchanges, man. I use it. I have an account. I've used Binance. I've used Uniswap. I've used WANSwap. I've used Kraken. I've used Gemini. I mean, those are all chilling, man. 25 people. All right, guys, I'm gonna ask for last questions or I'm gonna wrap it up. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I mean, hopefully if you've been watching this channel, maybe you like some of the calls I made, some maybe you didn't, or maybe you got into some, maybe you didn't. But hopefully you guys make money along the way. Invest with the trend, pull profits at predetermined points. Just don't be reactionary. And you got to be careful what you listen to, because people who talk the loudest typically know the least. That's just a life tip. People who talk the loudest typically know the least. It's true. They're going to yell from the rooftops. Been in crypto 2 weeks. I'm just saying. Is OXT looking for a HH on 4 hour? Got a hidden bull div. Oh, so Hedera, Head and Shoulders? Hedera Hashgraph? What is HH? Not hidden bull divergence. I don't know, man. I don't even look at the 4-hour typically. Like I do when I'm trying to finesse my entry points, but I'm usually looking at the daily to the weekly. Foblo, patience is key. Remember, ETH was created in 2015. It took 6 years plus to be where it is. Time is everything. That's true, guys. Hey, why do you think I keep looking at these last cycle coins? Because it takes time to establish the chain, make it secure, build the community. Like, we have some coming up. Some of them that are flying under the radar that I don't know why people aren't talking about them. I mean, I don't necessarily make videos on them because they don't get the clicks. But, like, guys, Litecoin. No one talks about Litecoin. I think Litecoin's going to be multi-thousands this bull run, not financial advice. What else? We got Doge. Look what it's doing. Long chain. We got... What else do I got here? I'll pull this up. I mean, Binance Coin's coming to its own. It's not like old like Litecoin or Doge, but it has some years under it now. Bitcoin Cash, you know, that's one that that was new in the last run, but not now. No, it is not. We got, EOS, guys, come on. It's in the same boat as Bitcoin Cash. This thing has been so disrespected. People, I like an underdog. I don't know. That's just me. What else? I don't know. Dash 2. Why is no one talking about Dash? I don't know. 26 people. Crypto Junkie, lots of content to use here. Dub, use shortcut snippets and add the videos on your account. You will boom in subscribers. Yeah, I know, man. Like, I'm trying to learn YouTube, you know? Like, I think there's a lot of good stuff in the live streams. Just people don't like hang out long enough to get it. You know, the attention span thing is a challenge. I was actually thinking about that though, because I see other YouTubers doing that where they go live, take the video off, and then they release it in the snippets, like of valuable stuff. I think that'd be interesting. Like maybe make a playlist or something. What do you guys think? That's a good. I was just talking about that, Crypto Junkie. Have an opinion on Chinese projects like Elastos compared to ETH. See, I don't know much about Elastos, but yeah, I think China is like obviously going to be a blockchain like pioneer. I mean, they announced their national blockchain system a long time ago. They named Tezos, Quark Chain, I think Cosmos, Neo. They're going to be hooking up a Tomo chain out in Vietnam and Singapore. Like, look, these chains are going to be connected by geography. You know, but if you are going to compare a Chinese project to Ethereum, I think what is the right thing to do is compare it to Neo. I mean, last bull run, that was called the Chinese Ethereum, right? I mean, Neo was kind of like, I think it's like, I mean, I don't know. The Chinese people don't tell you much of anything. But like, I think that Neo's going to act like the hub. Because I know Tomo Chain was talking to Neo for a partnership to connect to them. You know, so maybe like their interface for outside blockchains. I'm not sure. But look, I don't get into this whole thing where I'm like, oh, this is going to be the bomb. That's it. Everything else sucks. No, I think China's going to have their thing. I think Singapore's going to have their thing. America, you know, Africa, Cardano, whatever. Like, it's all going to be connected. It's not going to be one. So like China projects, that's a play that I think people are not considering. You know, like, I'm going to put myself in places all over the damn place. I'm going to win. I'm going to make sure of that. Crypto Junkie, 90% of China made is a scam. I don't know about that because Binance is Chinese, like a China-based project. Like, what do you call it? Neo is a China-based project. Isn't Cosmos a China-based project? Like, could be, man. Just went and did a firewood delivery and come back and find you're still going. Nice. Hey, anytime I got a good group of people, crypto people want to learn, I'm going to make time for y'all. Do you guys like Sunday or Saturday live streams better though? And do you want live streams during the week as well? Because I somewhat think it takes away from my video content. But, you know, I got to listen to the people. Do you believe in... The hell was that? Almost blew my damn earbuds out. All right, earbuds? No. Eardrums. Do you believe in conspiracy theories? If not, why? Yeah, I believe in some, you know, like people. I don't think I'm the most like boxy dude, you know. I don't think, just the way I think, man, like I like to have open mind on stuff, which means I have to have open mind on like my perception of reality. Because if I could think of other like possibilities, timelines, alternate realities that could play out that might be weird to me, but I can think of it. I can think of ways of what I would do if this occurred. It helps me prepare for the future. You know, yeah, I believe in some. I think everyone to some extent believes in some, unless you just believe the narrative that's presented to you. That's your reality, right? There's people like that who don't want to think about those alternatives because they're scary, you know? So, I mean, there's a million and one of them. I mean, I'm pretty well versed in conspiracy theories. But guys, just so you know, the term conspiracy theory was actually a CIA-made word. You know, probably to discredit people who had alternate opinions. $1,000 agree. Also, go check out TubeBuddy. Helps you with tags and other things to get more exposure on YouTube. I use TubeBuddy right now, man. Best kept secret. Hold up, guys, real quick. China's playing world domination, controlling our minds with sophisticated brainwashing algorithms. Wrong. Government, centralized control is trying to do that. It's not just one country, man. No. It's more coordinated. You know, like, people like to... It's something called the Hegelian dialectic, you know? When, like, you're presented two choices, and someone goes, here, pick your choice. But, like, both choices are going down the path they want you to go down. So if they're pitting you against one country, against one person, against one kind of people, it's probably a motive there. Big tech in general, algorithms in general, man. Every day is Sunday with CV19. Ha ha ha. 10K, where you put it? New to crypto. Oh, asking a question. So if you got 10K, where would you put it? I mean, what do you want? Do you want a good bet? Like, you got a lot of money already? Because if you got a lot of money already, people just buy Bitcoin or Ethereum. You know, if you want to like take a little more risk and bank big returns, but might lose it, there's altcoins, man. I mean, just go look at any of the videos on my channel. I pretty much lay out pretty beautifully like the investment thesis on it. You know, I'm going to do it way better in those videos than I do it here. And that way you can see which one you vibe with the most. You know, just go check out my videos. Also check out the hidden altcoin video playlist on my channel. Scott, join the stream, and we were on conspiracy theories. Okay, then. Hey, man, we just keep it a hangout, you know? We're just drinking some coffee, talking that talk. But yeah, man, conspiracy theories, you know, I don't want to get too far into it because I know people have like different takes on it. You guys have different political beliefs. You guys have different like ideas of what your reality is. Like, I don't want to challenge that too much because I want to keep the channel on point and focused on making money. You know, all that could come later, but right now, it's time to make some money. You know what I'm saying? But conspiracy theories, you know, there's some I think are too wild. There's some I think are right on. My bad. Rana. Hope I said that right. Hey, love your stuff. I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Every single person who watches my videos, I appreciate y'all. Bottom of my heart. Thanks, bro. You're looking for aggressive but not crazy? Yeah, then you know. Altcoins, stay top 10, top 25. You should be okay, man. You know, aggressive would be altcoins. Bitcoin's a safer bet. But, you know, it all depends where you come from. If you're coming from traditional finance, people are saying Bitcoin's aggressive as hell. You know, so it's all relative. But no problem, anytime. Wow, 11 o'clock, y'all. How you guys feeling? How you doing? Tired? We've been doing this for 2 damn hours. But it felt like time just flew by. I actually look forward to this, guys. It's fun. I got my first super chat today, guys. That's dope. I did my first sponsored post yesterday with Venus Protocol. That's cool. Hey guys, just let you know, like, I never ask you guys for money. I only monetize my thing through ads and some sponsored videos, but like I made a promise to you guys in a couple last live streams that I wasn't gonna put anything on there I don't think is like beneficial or good. Venus Protocol, I present it to you because it's so early on in the game. Because there's only 30 million. 30 million. You know, it's interesting to see. But the Swipe team, though, they got a lot of stuff up their sleeve. They got that initiative platform going on where Swipe holders can invest into the like new coins and private sales. That's freaking dope. Swipe, you know, a lot of people hate Swipe because it went down so much, but I think what they're doing is pretty cool. What's Venus Protocol? It's my last video I did. I posted it yesterday. It's basically like imagine Compound and Maker just on a Binance Smart Chain. It pretty much does the same thing as those two. And you can liquidity mine it. They're offering crazy rates right now because they're just trying to bring like initial liquidity into the platform so it's usable. So they're like giving like if you go on Binance and buy their stablecoin BAI, and you put it on the Venus Protocol, the CEO yesterday said that they're upping it from 47% APY or return on your investment over a year to 60%. So you're essentially buying a stablecoin, parking on Venus Protocol, and getting 60% of your money. See, that's that stuff where I'm like, hey, you guys might want to look at this. It's not going to be there forever. Did we discuss DMM debacle and failure? No. Is that DeFi Money Market? Is that the one with the bird insignia? Let me hold up. I'm gonna check it out. I saw something. Oh, for real? For real? They closed down? Hold up. This one, Scott? That closed down? I gotta know, Scott. Respond, Scott. I saw something on CoinMarketCap about it, man, and like. That sucks because I bought into it. It pumped up 100 and I didn't pull my initial capital out. It's dead? I don't know. It went down hard. Damn, bro. What the hell? Yeah, I bought in like right here. Maybe. I don't even know. That sucks. So I'm guessing it did die, huh? I don't know. 24 people in the chat still. I remember when I have 4 people on the chat. We growing. Yep. Well, that's a rip. Guys, just to show you, that's an altcoin I invested on Uniswap. Okay? It died. It's dead. It's gone. Fiend. Finito. Bye-bye. I didn't get the point. It just goes to show you guys, man. If you're a maximalist, you better know what you're talking about. Better know. Yeah, my bad. I didn't click on it. But yeah, that sucks, man. That's funny. I had a couple coins that died. TNT, DMM. It happens, guys. It's not the majority of my positions, but it happens. I mean, I put like a couple hundred on this just to see what happened. Good thing I didn't put more. Chris, dude, do you like Kusama? Yeah, Kusama's cool. I like the insignia and all that. It's like the polka dot like the Polkadot like testnet, basically, right? It's like the Litecoin to Bitcoin for the Polkadot ecosystem. It's cool, man. Like, it's rising up though. It's going up high as hell. But you know, here's the thing. What's the use case though? Like, just to test things out for Polkadot? Like, you know? Like, I've been pretty leery of the Polkadot ecosystem. I'm like the most aggressively risky, not risky person, you know. Like, I'm like over here like, okay, yeah, I'm gonna be aggressive in the stuff I know hard because I know it. That's my power base. But when I see something new, I'm like, looking at side eye, like, what is this thing? Polkadot, it came out of nowhere. Everyone loves it. Like, you gotta prove it to me. You gotta show me before I like start throwing money at you, you know? Polkadot, we'll see. Maybe I'm wrong about it. I've been wrong about a lot of things. I missed SNX 80 cents. I missed EGLD or Elrond at 50 cents. I missed a whole bunch of stuff, man. So like, I could be wrong, but Polkadot, it's a little hypey right now. It might keep going up. This is a crypto bull run. But Kusama, you know, hey, if Polkadot takes off and it deserves all the accolades it gets, why wouldn't Kusama join it? But I don't own any. Oh, my bad. Johnny. EOS, Google Cloud, Galaxy Interactive, and Mythical Games we're hosting March 2nd, 2021 to April 6th. EOS Hackathon. EOS Hackathon. Check it out. Galaxy Interactive, Google Cloud, Mythical Games. Hackathon might have some interesting news coming down the line, especially with all this bullish news referenced by Brendan Bloomer, right? EOS CEO. Like, you guys don't know, go check my video on EOS. It's killing it in views because like it's laying out exactly what I think people are ignoring about EOS. It's kind of conspiracy theory-ish too. Check it out. Lays it out beautifully. I bought new after watching your video and it went up instantly to 60 cents, just saying. You're welcome, sir. Anytime. Guys, like, that's why it pays to know some technicals, guys. I could look at charts now and be like, oh, that looks interesting. That looks interesting. Nah. That looks interesting. Nah. I just looked at that thing based on the freaking Coinbase chart. It looked like it was winding up, ascending triangle. Took off. You know? People like those new coins. So Chris likes Polkadot. No. It has its own pair of chains. Does it? Because like I listened to Gavin Wood and he just kind of explained like things to be rolled out on a Kusama. So Chris, help me understand, man. Like, what does it do that Polkadot doesn't? How's it differentiate itself? You know, like, is there some master plan I don't understand on the Polkadot side? Like, there could be. Like, I can't say I've done too much research on it. You know, that's what I'm asking, man. Jacob, 8,407 cryptos on CoinMarketCap. How many in 5 years do you think? I don't know. I mean, there could essentially be infinite, right? Like, are you asking how many will be on CoinMarketCap versus how many actually exist? I think there's more that exist. You could make a coin. I could make a coin. Like, anyone could make a coin. Like, here's the thing, guys. If you really believe in a decentralized future, there would essentially be limitless coins, right? There will be ones that are popular and accepted, but there would be no backstop or like blockage to making a coin because there'd be no centralized like entity controlling that. But look, guys, I think we're going into a decentralized future where there's gonna be lots of blockchains, lots of people spending their coins, switching back and forth, exchange rates everywhere. Things are seamless. There's gonna be a lot of stores of a lot of currencies that can be used to give people choice, because I think people are gonna get so, what's the right word? I think they're gonna get so scared of centralization based on what they're seeing right now that they're never going to be centralized again. What does that? I don't know. I'm just looking at this Robinhood thing, and people are finally understanding that people are colluding against them from them making money. What else is going to come to the forefront into public consciousness? There's a lot of stuff people who don't go on the internet don't know. One second, guys. Ledger Nano X, any thoughts? It says I can only send and receive. Ledger Nano X? I have a Ledger Nano X, man. Like, I could send, receive. I mean, Ledger Nano X is your best bet for getting a lot of cryptos on a single device over a lot of different other cryptos. Like, I'm not sure I understand, but like, I have one. I use it every day or whatever, you know. Other than the security breach, I got no problem with Ledger, but like, you know, security breach sucks. HBAR, the new 10-cent stablecoin, LOL. I don't know, man. Like, it just went from 3 to 10. That's not very stable to me. Polkadot sounds a lot like EOS. I'm just saying, question mark. Sort of. You talking about how people could port in and like giving them standards to operate. Understand? But does Polkadot have like low transaction fees like that, like EOS? Because I know EOS is like, that's what they're slating themselves for like enterprise, for like blockchain for business. Does like Polkadot do that? HBAR was another good call. Yeah, man. I mean, I basically just look at coins that no one's taking seriously, and I'm like, yo, I bet you this is gonna pop off, and it did. I mean, I'm all up in the community. I'm all up in the doing the research. I'm all like looking at the charts, looking at the news. I think I can identify a coin that's sneaky in its price appreciation. HBAR was doing that, but HBAR has a crazy community, man. Crazy in a good way. Strong as hell. Yeah, DOT is low transaction fee. There you go. I don't know. But like, look at it like this, man. No one chain can do it all. It can't. It cannot. It's impossible. There's too much demand on the internet globally for one chain to do it all. That's why there's not going to be one chain. It's going to be a whole bunch of chains. Right? But you think of that way, I mean, your mind in terms of investment should open up. You know, DOT might be a cool play. EOS might be a good play. Well, doesn't mean DOT and EOS are going to be adopted in the same place. One place might like EOS. One place might like DOT. You know what I'm saying? But hey, that's interesting. I'm not exposed to DOT. I'm just going to be quite frank. But I know a lot of people love that DOT. TWT token, future price prediction video, trust wallet token. Are you asking me to do that? I haven't looked into that trust wallet token. It just like pays for like transaction fees on trust wallet. What does it do? Johnny, Polkadot is trying to copy EOS and it's not even close to EOS. You know, that's the one thing with like decentralized technologies, guys. It's open source for the most part. You know, interoperability is the future. Damn right, it's the future. Yeah, guys. I mean, hey, you jump over to Coinbase, guys. Let's just do it. I don't know. Let me not do it. But let me go out here. Bitcoin still up in here. Ethereum pushing 2,000. XRP's off the lows. I thought XRP was gonna die. I don't know. Maybe I'm a weirdo. Polkadot $20. This thing went up with a quickness. Cardano. Binance Coin. You know, guys, and with that Venus protocol, like Binance Coin is banging like 13%, and that's a volatile asset. That means if it goes up in price, you're still banging 13%. That made me want to hold some Binance Coin. Litecoin. Oh, man. Let's go, Litecoin. Look at this thing. We're up 5%. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What did it do? It did a resistance support flip. Now we're moving up. Not financial advice. But guys, look. Where am I going? I don't even know where I'm going with this. Like, guys, like, Ethereum's past this all-time high. Look at this W pattern. That's super sexy. I don't even know what to tell you guys about that. Everyone's looking at DeFi. Litecoin might just come out of nowhere. Bitcoin Cash. Let's check it out. Look, you guys see that slope? You guys see what I'm talking about? That slope starts going up, higher lows. It's not hard to see. Any thoughts on how cryptos will respond to dollars losing reserve currency status? Well, you know, man, I've been talking about that for a long time. Like, dollar has to die eventually. Dollar takes a long time to die. Yeah, I'm surprised it's like gotten through 2016, like all the QE. We're doing more QE, doing all this weird stuff now. Governments all around are printing. Like, the dollar will lose reserve currency status because the rest of the world will not agree that it is. Right? Like, we already got alternatives. The reason people still have it as the reserve currency is because, like, you know, I'm not even going to talk about the military industrial complex. We're not going to talk about that. But, like, it's based on oil, right? The petrodollar. That's the facto backing of the US dollar, like oil. Okay, you got to have dollars to buy oil. But we're starting to see a challenge of that. You got Venezuela with the petrol. Venezuela has more oil than Saudi Arabia. Not the same consistency, but they have a lot. They're selling oil with petrol. You know, they're using cryptocurrency on the regular because they're going through a hyperinflation. You got Russia, you got China over there. Russia has a big oil fields, pumps it into China, right? They share with each other. BRICS nations share with each other. But like, they're using other alternatives too. The petro yuan, that's what China's using. You know, so like, if you don't have to use dollars to buy oil anymore, why would people use dollars if the United States government's printing the hell out of it? So like, they're gonna pick something else to take its place, right? Because the world needs to function, the economy needs to function. The rest of the world don't care if the dollar lives. It's only Americans that care. You know what I'm saying? Only people who have a savings in dollars. Rest of the people, the rest of the world understand that concept. They have things like gold. They have things like silver. They stack cryptocurrencies. They already don't have a world reserve currency, so they don't look at their currency like the God asset. That's a mental block that Americans and United States needs to get over, right? Like, it's going away, and they're going to pick something else. But one thing that's for sure is that they're not going to pick the US dollar again, especially if they keep printing it. Not saying that it's going to die tomorrow. There's going to be bounces along the way on the dollar. There might be periods where there's contractions and people need dollars, but over the long-term trend, the dollar has only lost purchasing power over time. So, in a long way of saying that, yeah, I think it's going to be positive for cryptocurrencies on the long-term trend. What else, man? What else? What else? I mean, Monero's looking hot. I just like Monero. We might get that added to WAN swap though. That'd be sick. What else, man? I don't even know. Oh, you know what? I've been meaning to do a video on Zcash, but I'll give you guys like a quick intro to it. Look at this chart in Zcash. Look at this Bitcoin value. It looks like freaking ridiculous. Looks like a joke. I like stuff like that. Because, like, look, like, we have this uptick in market cap on Zcash, but the line's pretty much staying flat, you know, both in the Bitcoin and in the USD. The one thing people don't talk about, though, is Zcash in November 2020, they had a halving. It was the first halving in their history, right? What happens after halvings a couple months after that? The supply dries up. The mining supply dries up. Price typically increases. At least that's what we saw the Bitcoin halving, right? This thing's sitting at 96 bucks right now. All-time high in dollar value, the last cycle was about 700 bucks. So we're talking like almost a 10x. But if you look at when this thing first was released in October of 2016. Man, this thing was at about $3,000, $4,000. That's interesting, guys. Why was the value that high? I know hype is a thing, but like, dang, will I ever get there again? I'll have some just to see. But remember, guys, Zcash is also offered in a trust form by Grayscale. Out of like 10 assets, out of like 8,000. Zcash made the list on that one. You know, big pipe of money that could flow into it. I'm interested. Y'all do what y'all gotta do. Y'all are adults. Sports and crypto equal question mark future trend? Could be. You know, like you see like some Premier League, I don't even know if they're Premier League, but soccer teams having their own coin for fans where they could like buy merchandise and yada yada, get discounts on stuff. That's cool. I mean, to be honest, wouldn't that be better for like concessions and stuff, like payments? Like, I don't know. And then the actual price of the coin can go up, which makes people super invested in your team. It's almost being like an investor in the team, you know, especially if like the games had to be purchased through that coin. It's interesting. It would totally get people super psyched about like how the team's doing. Like if they could actually make money off holding the coin. It's basically like being bullish on the team, making money in an indirect way. Hey, I think it's cool. You know what, guys? We're going on 2 hours and 20 minutes, and I gotta go. My wife's gonna kill me. But it's been fun, guys. Enjoying and having fun, making videos for you guys, doing these live streams. Yeah, I appreciate the support, guys. So until next time, talk to y'all later. Peace.